Yes.
Sir.
Moving out. Sir? Yes, sir?
Huh?
Moving out.
Yes, sir?
You got it. Yes, sir?
Where to?
Stay low. Yes?
Form up. Orders.
I'm ready. Yes.
Moving out.
Very well.
Affirmative.
On it.
What? For Kane.
You got it. Yes, sir.
Advancing. Yes, sir.
Over here.
Thanks for your help.
I'm on it.
Anytime.
On my way.
Good is done.
Medic!
Yes, Kamal? You got it.
Medic reporting.
Unit ready.
Acknowledged.
Over and out.
Building. Training. Cancelled.
No problem.
Direct me. Of course.
On my way.
Yes?
Already there.
Give me some room.
Yes. Lead me. Be careful.
Deploying. Engineering. Moving.
Pilot reporting.
Unit ready.
What do you want?
Awaiting orders.
You talking to me?
Processing. Affirmative.
Away we go.
No problem.
Immediately.
Repairing.
I can fix that. I'm ready.
Orders received.
For Kane.
Proceeding.
Orders received.
Status.
Affirmative.
On hold.
Good as done. Sir, yes, sir.
Awaiting orders. Unit reporting.
Yes, sir.
Give me an order.
Knockout.
Low power.
On my way.
Unit ready.
Affirmative.
Ready for action.
Awaiting orders.
Awaiting orders.
For the Brotherhood.
No problem.
It will be done. Give me a target.
Yes. Shh. Engaging.
They're everywhere! Loud and clear.
Over here. Of course.
Standing by. Death from above. Orders received.
Target sighted. Awaiting orders.
They may be onto us. Awaiting orders.
It's yours.
This is too easy.
Infantry reporting.
Select target. Unit lost.
Unit ready.
Take point, soldier.
By your command.
Affirmative.
I'm all ears.
Unit sold.
I only need one shot.
1 minute remaining.
Here they come.
Terminated. Comlink open.
Move, move, move!
Trados, no!
Mission failed.
Excellent.
They will pay for this.
Leave no enemy standing.
Timer stopped. Timer started. Unit repaired.
Glad to see you free, sir.
Unit engaged.
Structure sold. 2 minutes remaining. Bridge repaired.
Pickup service.
Silos needed.
Directive.
There could be trouble.
Executing. Your command. I obey.
10 minutes remaining.
Orders received.
Yes? We must find Oksana.
Input directive.
So much for subtlety.
Yeah? So. Cool.
5 minutes remaining. 3 minutes remaining. Commandos en route. Alliance formed. Convoy sighted.
Target acquired.
4 minutes remaining.
I have the codes.
Chemical missile ready.
I'm taking heavy fire.
Alliance broken.
They've seen us. Fall back.
Okay.
Iron cannon ready.
Need a ride?
Transport lost.
Going my way?
Bridge repaired.
Jack 'em up.
Mutants located. Cluster missile ready. You have lost. Building captured.
Scan initiated.
Cannot deploy here. Critical unit lost.
Standing by.
Construction complete. Convoy inbound. Player 1 has resigned. 20 minutes remaining. Building offline. Building online. Convoy truck lost. Tiberium missile ready.
Negative. I can make it.
Insufficient funds. Mission accomplished.
Let's get him to the convoy point.
Where do you want it?
Bullet train departing. You have resigned.
Stand clear.
Tiberium missile ready. Mutant supplies found.
Airstrike ready.
Primary building set.
For the Brotherhood.
Incoming transmission. You are victorious.
What? Hot wire.
Critical structure lost. Building infiltrated.
Civilian killed.
Iron storm approaching. Stealth is key.
Return to base, pilot.
Transport has been detected. Intruders detected. Missile launch detected. Base under attack.
Right between the eyes.
4 on the floor.
New terrain discovered. Research facility located. Use them to your advantage.
Hit it.
EM pulse cannon ready. Harvester under attack. Kill all prisoners. Unit armor upgraded. Our ally is under attack. Player 1 was defeated. Main power restored. Transport has arrived. Unit speed upgraded.
Where's the Tacitus?
Orbit 1 complete. Mutant commandos available. Battle control offline. Dam integrity failing. Meteor storm approaching. Cloaked unit detected. Tacitus has been acquired. Firestorm defense ready. Orbit 2 complete.
Incoming transmission.
All forces converge. Base perimeter has been breached.
Our work here is done. We're out of here.
Perimeter deactivated. Kodiak under attack.
Battle controls established. You have been marked for termination.
We must get Trados to the transport.
Is there any tech left at the Nod base?
New construction options.
Here comes Kane's welcoming committee.
Quaternary objective achieved.
I think I can be persuaded.
Ion storm abating.
The ion cannon is ours.
They will know fear.
Transports inbound. Your defeat is at hand.
Your defeat is at hand.
Arrows from the sky.
Reinforcements have arrived. Production facility destroyed. GDI dropship detected. Your forces have been detected. Tertiary objective achieved. GDI base operational.
Reinforcements en route.
Primary objective achieved. Unit firepower upgraded.
The cavalry has arrived.
Tunnel secure. MCV en route.
The medical facility is located to the east.
Sir, we are here and waiting for your arrival.
Tiberium lifeform detected.
Reinforcements inbound.
Mutant vermin detected.
Nod SAM sites destroyed.
Secondary objective achieved.
The medical facility is located to the west.
Nod is everywhere.
I can smell their fear.
GDI structure destroyed.
Where the hell are those reinforcements?
MCV has arrived to the southeast. Subterranean unit detected. Biotoxin tankers located. Base defenses offline.
Tiberium life form detected.
Always wanted one of these.
Congratulations on your success. Biotoxin convoy approaching.
GDI transports en route. Kodiak in critical condition.
Incoming transport detected.
Sound the alarm! Slavic's forces are here!
Laser turrets! Run for it!
Capture the TV station to the east.
Green becomes brown.
ICBM launcher under attack. Spy killed. Mission failed.
Something's wrong. We should have been there by now.
Train returning to Nod base. Mutants en route to power grid.
Harvest the tiberium to the north.
Civilian city is under attack.
Warning. Regulators offline.
No keys? No problem.
Tiberium life form detected.
Mutant life form detected on board. You make this easy, flesh bag.
Inferior tactics detected. Enemy SAM sites detected.
McNeil captured. Mission complete.
Mutant lost. Mission failed.
I said I can make it.
You have been marked for termination. Dam destroyed. Mission complete.
Stand and identify yourself in the name of Cain.
Tiberium missile inbound. Ion storm will disable fighters. UFO under attack.
Build barracks to train additional troops.
Crystals destroyed. Mission failed.
These critters don't look too friendly.
The traitors are coming! Blow the bridge!
Firestorm defense offline. Destroy the remainder of Hassan's guard.
The lieutenant is being held at an outpost to the east. Move it! Move it! Get back to the base!
Dam sighted. Target confirmed.
McNeil killed. Mission failed. Perimeter deactivated. Commence attack.
I can...
Ah!
Destroy all of Hassan's elite guard.
C4 planted. Mission complete. Retreat is your only logical option.
Inferior tactics detected. Prevent that train from leaving and retrieve the Tacitus.
Base destroyed. Objective complete. Kodiak destroyed. Mission failed. Transport destroyed. Mission failed.
Spy lost. Mission failed.
Surrender is your only logical option. Bridges destroyed. Objective complete.
Orbit 3 complete. Mission failed. Unable to comply. Building in progress. McNeil escaped. Mission failed. Move to an open area and build your base. Prevent GDI's evacuation at all costs.
Ghost Stalker terminated. Mission failed.
Do not allow the construction yard to be destroyed.
Site secure. Objective complete.
Hassan has been captured. We are heading in now, sir.
Build a Tiberium refinery to harvest Tiberium. GDI bullet train arriving at outpost. Probable objective is rescue of mutant prisoners. ICBM launcher lost. Mission failed.
I believe there's an old GDI base near. Could be worth looking into.
When Hassan flees like a dog, capture him.
Destroy all Nod forces in the area. Missile complex destroyed. Mission complete.
Build Hand of Nod to train additional troops. Build more power plants to restore full power.
What an opportunity. Thanks, we'll enjoy this.
We tire of your insignificant defiance.
Supply base destroyed. Mission complete. Array destroyed. Objective complete.
Base Command, this is Post TK-421. We've got...
We need more men! Train them from the hand of Nod!
Train disabled. Carryall inbound. Force detected. Enemy units en route.
Com center infiltrated. Location detected.
Tiberium missile launched. Mission failed. Capture Nod Tech Center to recover the crystals. In order to train more troops, build a barracks.
The sacrifice of the many is but pleasure for the few.
Command center destroyed. Mission complete.
We got an old stockpile here, sir. All very salvageable.
That train goes to the power grid we told you of. Get us on board.
UFO destroyed. Mission failed.
All toxin soldiers killed. Mission failed. Build tiberium silos to store excess tiberium.
Time to erase the human factor from this equation. Technology Center captured. Objective complete. Re-entering Ion Storm. Caution is advised. Civilians evacuated. Objective complete.
Establishing battlefield control. Stand by. Proceed to evac location. Transport en route. Time to erase the human factor from this equation. You must build a tiberium waste facility to store the substance. Research facility destroyed. Objective complete. Establishing battle controls. Please stand by.
Mutants detected. Enemy forces en route. Clear the zone for MCV dropship deployment.
Sir, Hassan is escaping! We are moving to intercept him now!
We have been betrayed! The GDI bots have kidnapped Trados!
SAM sites destroyed. Dropships inbound.
Ion cannon firing. Resending control codes.
Air power will be ineffective during ion storms.
Sir? Tiberium is lethal to unprotected infantry?
Ion storm approaching. ETA 5 minutes.
They're pulling back! Reinforcements! The mutants have turned on us!
Storm abating. Commence attack on Nod forces. Tratos evacuated. Primary objective complete.
To get production online, build a tiberium refinery. Power levels are low. Construct more power plants.
To begin harvesting tiberium, build a tiberium refinery. Warning. Inbound tactical nuclear missile detected. Your probability of success is insignificant and dropping.
If he detects the trap, capture him before he can flee the sector.
Fighter production facility destroyed. Mission complete.
Observe superior tactics while you still have human eyes. Prepare for decimation, for you are not worthy of assimilation. Terminator protocols initiated, proceeding with final sweep. GDI bullet train arriving at GDI main prison facility. The creature is the tiberium substance we seek. Use it.
The harvester will automatically begin harvesting any nearby tiberium. It would be advantageous to destroy any bridges leading from this region.
Main power offline. Activating emergency generators.
Whoa, sir! Careful! The ice won't support the weight of multiple vehicles crossing at once.
Surrender is acceptable and preferable against the odds that you are facing. All SAM sites must be destroyed before dropships can be deployed.
Transport ETA 30 minutes. Do not let McNeil escape. Tiberium is hazardous to unprotected infantry. Caution is advised. To build or train, left-click on the icons located in the sidebar. I will send an APC now to rendezvous with you at the GDI base.
What's the ETA on that MCV? This UFO gives me the heebie-jeebies.
After you locate Hassan's pyramid, Use your tic-tacs to destroy it.
Coordinates transmitted and confirmed. ETA for airstrike is 5 minutes.
Data received indicates that you are a threat. Prepare for sterilization.
Protect your engineers. They are your only hope of capturing the GDI base.
Fighter production facility located and position recorded. Dropships en route. Eye of the Storm has been entered. Equipment usage now at maximum efficiency.
We must get Trados out of that facility. But try to be subtle. If we're detected, he's as good as dead.
To deploy a vehicle, select it. Place the cursor over the vehicle and left-click on it.
Philadelphia in range. ICBM launch detected. Mission failed.
Non-forces are converging on our position, sir. With all due respect, move your ass!
We have been touched by the spirit hand of Cain, and are ready to serve the technology of peace. Peace through power.
Defeat of enemy predicted in T-minus 3, 2, 1.
This is Lieutenant Stark. We've touched down and are awaiting Trados for immediate evac. Get him over here, ASAP.
To stop them, you must destroy the other 3 launchers before the Philadelphia is in range. Warning, rogue ion storm forming directly over this sector. Pilot, return to base.
It's not, sir. They came out of nowhere. We have to get back to the base and rebuild the refinery and barracks before they hit us again.
Sir, looks like they tore this place apart already. Nod must be getting ready to ship the artifacts out. We don't have much time.
It seems that certain structures in this region attract lightning, creating a kind of safety zone.
We just got word from General Hassan. He's moving up north to the Cairo base. He wants us... What? Hey! What are you doing?
To capture a building, select an engineer, place the cursor over the intended target, and left-click. To repair a structure, left-click on the wrench icon in the sidebar, and then left-click on the structure. To repair a bridge, send an engineer into the bridge repair hut, located at the base of the bridge.
Don't shoot! Don't shoot! I can download GDI's evac locations to you if you let me live. Please let me live! Praise Cain!
ICBMs destroyed. Philadelphia is out of danger. Proceed with tiberium missile destruction. Nod has deployed several ICBMs which they will use to destroy the Philadelphia once it is in orbit over this sector.
Capturing the local radar towers will allow me to extend our propaganda and expand our divination efforts.
I'm free. Now it's time for a little payback for that GDI-loving traitor Hassan. I have a hidden MCV and some more forces that I will pledge to your fight.